In this video, we are going to show you how to create outlines for presentations using Poppy AI. Now, Poppy is an amazing tool for this. When it comes to outlines or summaries, it's so good. But do take note that just like any other AI tool, that it can hallucinate, or you might need to nudge it a little bit because it does make some mistakes. So just keep note of that. Now, once you open your board, you want to first get your research material, right? So if you're using Google Scholar or any scholarly articles online, just get the URL link and then paste it here. So sometimes it takes a while for this to load up. And do take note, this is a tip. If it's still loading up and you connect it and you use Poppy Chat, it might not read it yet. So again, make sure that this has loaded up first before using it. So once it's loaded up, you want to look towards your main menu over here on your left and click on the first option that says AI chat, like so. This is going to give you a new AI chat from Poppy, and just connect it to your source material over here and just wait for it to load up. This is taking a bit of time for some reason. I don't know why internet connection is fast, but again, depending on where the source is from. So as you can see here, website node with error, right? So this is good because sometimes it does happen even though you have a strong internet connection. So let's do it again. All right, so now that it's loaded up, we can now prompt Poppy Chat and say, I want you to analyze the source material linked and provide me with a in-depth outline for my school presentation. Press enter. Now Poppy Chat is going to analyze our source material and it's going to give us a good outline. Again, this is dependent on how you prompt it. And as you can see here, now it's giving us an outline. There you go. So that's pretty much how you do it, right? That's how you do it. Just wait for it to finish. It's going to have an option to be copied here on the bottom right corner. So I'm going to show you right now once it's done, because this is a long study, so it might take some time. Wait for it to finish. All right, so now that it's done, as you can see here, this is we even have it even provided us with discussion questions for audience, which is pretty cool, right? It goes above and beyond compared to other AI. So there's going to be an option here on the lower right corner of the chat. It says copy with formatting or copy as plain text. It's better to copy with formatting like so, and then just post it to a Google document, right? So if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.